Hello, my name is Siddhi. I am an architecture student from third year studying in Idea College, Nashik. Today I am going to explain about shoring and underpinning in construction. What is shoring? It means to provide support to get stability of a structure temporarily during construction, repairs and alteration, and to support wall laterally when shoring can be used. Number 1. Cracks in wall due to unequal settlement of foundation. Number 2. Bulging of wall due to lateral pressure. Number 3. While pulling down the adjacent structure. Number 4. When openings are to be newly made or enlarged in a wall, etc. There are three types of shoring. Racking shore. In this method, inclined member known as rackers are used to give lateral support to the walls. For shoring, timber and steel tubes are used. When timber is used, it is coated with preservatives to protect against the weight. Shoring should be designed according to the load and sustained and duration of load. It can be internally or externally depending on the case of the structure. There is no time limit to which the shoring has to be kept. It may range from weeks to years depending on the case of the structure. Racking shore consists of following components: rackers, the inclined member in the ground, wall plate, needles, clits, bracing, sole plate. Number 2. Flying shore. This system provides temporary supports to the part walls of two buildings where the intermediate building is to be pulled down and rebuilt again. This system is used where the ground doesn't come in case because as the shores are above the ground. Flying shore consists of wall plates, needles, clits, horizontal struts which are commonly known as horizontal shore, or inclined frame arranged in different forms which can be vary when the distance between the two walls is considerable. A horizontal shore cannot be safe and a trussed framework of members is necessary to perform the function of the flying shore. Number 3. Dead shore. This system is used when one has to rebuild a defective structure, also to provide an opening in the wall. This consists of arrangements of beams and posts. Beams are placed in the hole which are supported by a vertical member called as props, that is the dead shore. These are made of timber and are sufficient section to carry the load above. Dead shoring support system. The next is underpinning. This system is usually provided when the foundation has to give a strength and also to carry the repair and alteration of the structure. This foundation is just done to improve the bearing capacity of the soil. For example, in order to provide a basement for an existing structure, this method is used. There are two methods of underpinning. Number 1. Pit method. This method is used to give the strength to the existing foundation. As we see in the diagram, a pit is digged by hand and timber is done from the sides. According to it, 50 feet depth is provided. Jack is placed to hold the existing concrete and then the new foundation is constructed. Base size and depth is depend upon the ground condition. This is the other condition where the pit foundation is placed on the corner side. Number 2 is the pile method. This method is as similar to the pile foundation method. Usually the depth of the foundation is 5.0 meters. Usually the pile has a dia of 150 mm or 300. So this was all about. Thank you.